Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize your personal injury claim with Morgan & Morgan. Start by gathering all relevant documentation. Collect your medical records, including bills and treatment histories. Document any lost wages due to your injury. Take photos of the accident scene and any visible injuries. Write down a detailed account of the incident, noting the date and time. Identify all parties involved, including witnesses and their contact information. Contact Morgan & Morgan to schedule a consultation. Be prepared to discuss the details of your case during your initial meeting. Share all collected documentation and evidence with your attorney. Listen carefully to their advice on how to proceed. Understand the process and timeline for your claim. Follow your attorney's recommendations for medical treatments and evaluations. Keep a record of all communications related to your claim. Stay organized and maintain a timeline of important dates and actions taken. Be patient as negotiations and legal processes can take time. Be open to settling your claim, but understand your rights if a fair offer is not presented. Communicate regularly with your attorney throughout the process. Stay informed about your case's progress and any potential hurdles. Understand the importance of following all medical advice and treatment plans. These steps will help you effectively optimize your personal injury claim with Morgan & Morgan. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.